Hi, I'm Rob the Ranger. There's some wildlife already, but let's go and see what today's video's got for you.
Checking how busy it might be. I'm happy with a 2 minutes to go still, if anyone else requires that. Surrounding, but it has been quite...
It's amazing that they're there and they're allowing us to...
Oh, they're so used to the people.
Very curious, eh? Even you're taking a shot, eh?
Mm-hmm. It's always good to see the little ones playing like this. A lot more energy than the adults because they don't have to worry about conserving it for hunting later. They get to use all the energy that they get for playing.
Matt, just got tracks now. I think we became mobile from this morning. What's this? Close to Wally Shidulu. Moving north up the Mapogo. Alright, copy.
Oh god, big one.
Confirm is the Othawa on the channel?
It's like what dogs do.
Yeah, the safe home cam. I think there's 3 available now.
You can almost smell them.
Mm-hmm.
Like that.
Yeah.
Love it.
That's all we've got time for today. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to subscribe if you haven't done already. And like, share, leave a comment at the bottom, even if it's just to say hello. See you next time. You can also follow me on all the social networks with the hashtag #NowFilming for live updates from Safari.